Hey friends, if you wish to stop Opera from opening when you turn on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now the procedure is same for any application, but I'll show it for Opera specifically. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now you can go to the Startups Apps tab here and then scroll down to Opera. Right click on it and make sure that it is disabled. Okay, now it says disabled here by default, but let me assume that it was enabled. Then you would have to right click and disable it. You need to make sure that this is disabled, and the same one for browser assistant, make sure that it is disabled. And then when you restart your computer, Opera will not open at startup. And I know that is very irritating, but that's how you can get rid of it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.